Yeah, day number 2, there's still no package. Okay. You ever ordered something and the minute you order it, you check and see if there's a shipping or tracking information? Or is that just me? Or am I just too excited for this whole collaboration collection to get to me? Because I swear every day, every morning, every hour, I'm just like, are you here yet? Are you close? Are you even in the United States? I'm just trying to figure out where you at. That's what I'm trying to figure out right now. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl J Ross back with another video, and I am your hostess for this Makeup by Tammi week. Hey, this is day 2 of Makeup by Tammi week. If you guys don't know what I'm talking about in general, then you must not have watched day 1. I mean, are you even subscribed? I'm just asking for the people. I'm just asking. So yesterday, which was day 1, I created a look with the Tropical Paradise palette, which is her first collaboration with Makeup Revolution Beauty, whatever they want to call themselves this year. I don't know. And I think it turned out really good. You guys can judge that. If you're on this video before you've seen that video, we might as well go ahead and finish this video. Don't even try to click out of it now. Just go ahead and finish this video and then watch that video. Since it is day 2, you know, there's no better way to move on to day 2 than without talking about round 2, you know. And that is the Tropical Carnival palette. Tammi's video introducing this palette, as well as any other video that I'm referencing, will be linked down below, as well as her channel, as well as the websites to get this palette. We only rep Makeup Revolution and Revolution Beauty for Tammi stuff. You know, we ain't got nothing else to do with nothing else they launch. Nobody cares about that. This is the palette if you have not seen. Wow, rude. This is the palette if you have. Okay, so the sheet just gonna block all types of blessings. This is the sheet with the names on it, by the way. This is what the palette looks like once you remove the sheet. I did a look with this palette before. I will go ahead and link that up above, but like I said, I will also link Tammi's videos to this palette as well. I've been thinking of these 2 colors in my head, and one involves purple and the other involves green. And I know you're probably thinking, like, why would you do green and purple? So like I said, purple is Tammi's favorite color, and then I was thinking already in my head to do a purple and green look, because the color purple stands for royalty. It means honor, it means royalty, it means power and stuff like that. And I'm just like, we as a Black culture, African American culture, we're very powerful, and this is definitely starting to show right now. Whether certain people in this world think we're not powerful, think we're not worth anything, we are worth something. We are powerful. We come from royalty. And so I was like, you know, I'm going to use purple. And then the color green stands for growth, stands for rebirth, stands for, I know most people are like, oh, money, but it stands for growth, whether that be physical growth, mental growth, or growth and wealth. Those 2 colors together just have been speaking out to me for the past couple of weeks. Like, I don't know how this look is going to turn out. I really don't know how this look is going to turn out. In my head, I've tried to create the look. I've tried to Google it. I've tried to Instagram it, how I want it to turn out. Not how I want it to turn out, but some ideas like, oh, there have been a lot of people doing a purple and green eye, but there's very little purple and green eye looks. And so it was kind of hard to find inspiration. I guess that was my sign from God, like, no, you're gonna create this from scratch, and you're gonna just follow my leads type thing. So, and to be honest, and to relate this back to Tammi, I've seen so much growth in Tammi from the Tropical Paradise palette to the Tropical Carnival palette to the Tropical Twilight palette, or the collection, which is the new collaboration. I've seen so much growth on her channel, not just in numbers, but in herself. Like, watching Tammi when she first started, and I've binge watched a lot of Tammi's videos, like the older videos since she first started YouTube. I've watched a lot of those during this quarantine, and I've left comments on the video like they were brand new. So if she ever looks at all those comments from way back when, she's gonna be like, wow, she really stands for me to be watching these and leaving comments like this video is brand new. But I just seen so much growth in her as a creator, as a person, as an artist. And this is it's so cool to see her evolve, and it's also cool to see myself evolve. It's just been so much fun. It's been a fun journey for me, and I've learned so much from Makeup by Tammi, and watching her videos on the tutorial side, on the editorial side, on the artistic side, just learning so many different things from her. And yeah, I'm gonna stop rambling because it's just crazy to see where she's come from. 2018, when the Tropical Paradise palette was first released, 2019 to when the I'm not gonna pull the palette up again, so when the Tropical Carnival palette was released to now. And to see where she started with Makeup Revolution, to see where she started before Makeup Revolution even had her on her team, had her on their team, it's just amazing to see her growth and amazing to see her creativity levels just increase. And yeah, so that's why I guess it's even better that I'm doing the two colors of purple being, you know, I see her as queen. I call her Queen Tammi. She's such a queen. You guys may call other big name beauty gurus queen and all this stuff, but it's like, it's the ones who don't have millions of subscribers. It's the ones who don't have millions and millions of views on one video. It's the ones who are maybe 10K, maybe 100K, maybe 200K and under. Those type of creators that really have so much talent that goes under the radar. And in my eyes, I feel like Makeup by Tammi is one of those creators. Yeah, that's all I'm gonna say. I'm gonna just stop rambling. Yeah. All right, so let's do this. All right, so first off, I'm going to start with this shade. This palette being real disrespectful, but I'm going to start off with this shade. This is the purple shade I'm going to use. This is a matte purple shade, and it's called Girlies. Lighter purple shade called Moss. I'm telling y'all, I have no idea where I'm going with this look. I really don't. So I didn't want to take the purple in the crease, but I do need something that's gonna blend that. Now I'm gonna go into this green shade. What the heck is wrong in this palette? Jesus. I'm gonna go into this shade. I think it's called Saint Cat. Well, first of all, there's a hair on my brush. What is going on today? Going into the shade called Saint Catherine. Taking that first brush, which had girlies on it, blending out the sides very lightly. I want to lightly take some of the black, which is called Jab Jab. I think that's okay for now. So next up, I'm going to take this e.l.f. glitter glue. I'm going to top that green with this shade called Greens. I want to blend that into this shade called Destiny. I seriously have no idea what I'm doing. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and do the other eye off camera. I'm going to try to duplicate this eye. I don't know how I created like this dual chrome look, and none of these shades are dual chrome. If you guys can or cannot notice, this eye, the one that I did off camera, is more slanted. Like, it's more slanted this way than this eye. I tried to get them even, and then it just kept going more that way, but I still got the overall look to happen again the best I could. You know, we're not gonna pay attention to that. Let's just look at the good eye right now and just focus on the fact that I randomly created this on a whim. I swear to y'all, this is not what I planned in my head whatsoever, but I'm loving the I don't know what even to call it, but I'm loving this look. Stop judging me. Let's go ahead and do the bottom lower lash line. I really just want to use the purple. But I feel like I lost the green too. But I think the purple is a safe bet. So I'm just going to go ahead with Girlies. And for the inner corner, I'm going to do this light purple called Soka. Because I feel like that would just tie this look all the way off. Like, what? So yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and do Soka. I looked at this one for a second, was like, ooh, you should mix them. I don't know. I'm scared too. I'm scared. Let me see what they would look like. Let me see if I can swatch it and see what it looks like. All right. So this is Soka. Oh, it's an iridescent purple. Can y'all see that? Okay. And then I'm going to take, what are you? You are Calypso. I'm gonna see what it looks like on top. Ah, now I kind of want to do it. All right, I'm gonna try it, and if I don't like it, I can wipe it off and do it again. All right, y'all. I'm telling y'all, this is on a whim. I'm gonna put just Soka on the other eye and see what I like better. I was trying to say more and better at the same time and came out as wetter. I don't know what that's about. Like, I feel like they both have their own time and place. Ooh. Ooh. Creative juices, man. Creative juices. Alright, I'm gonna leave Soka. I'm gonna leave Soka by itself, so I'm just gonna... Oh, what am I... Ooh, maybe I'll take that on the brow bone. Here I go being extra again. Let's see what Calypso looks like on the brow bone. Alright guys, this is the overall final and finished look. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. I don't even want to take this look off. Like, I got some errands to run for the day, but just because it's a quarantine, I gotta have a mask on. Don't mean my eyes can't look good. Shout, they can't see the lips or the rest of the face. All they gonna see is the mask and my eyes, but they gonna be like, girl, your eyes are bomb. Yes, I know you should see the rest of the face, but you can't because quarantine. But let me know what you guys think of this overall look in the comments down below. I'm actually feeling myself too much with this look. Like, I need to thank the Lord above for giving me this mistake that turned, well, a mistake to me that turned into such a cool look. Like, I really didn't know where I was going, but I've had this thought of purple and green for the longest, and the fact that, like, I did it even if they look completely different. At first it was looking real Barney-ish. It was looking like, I love you, you love me, Barney. Like I said, this was day 2 of Makeup by Tammi week. Hopefully I get my package soon, but if not, you guys will see one of these collaborations again with a different look for sure.
Second of all, you know I'm vacillating here trying to...
Thank you guys so much for watching. Once again, I'm your girl, J Ross. Please like, share, subscribe to this channel. Like, seriously, please give this video a huge thumbs up if you enjoyed it. I'm sorry I rambled on a little bit in the beginning, but I seriously hope you guys enjoyed this look. That's all I have to say. I'm gonna go run my errands looking cute as I don't know what. So thank you guys so much for watching. Once again, like I said, my name is J Ross. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I will catch you guys in my next one. Stay safe, stay blessed, be safe for real, and stay healthy. And I'll catch you guys in my next one. Peace. I look so good in this look, I can't hardly speak. But somebody's like, that is not how the song goes at all.